Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. So you guys get a bonus video this week because we are launching something new. It is another iron. If you have been following us for a while or you have purchased any of our products, you know that we have the J-Wave, which is our curling iron, and we currently have it in a 1 inch and a 1 1/4, but we are now releasing the 1 1/2. And what the coolest part about this is the packaging. I love that we did like the split tone. So it comes in that same packaging that our other irons do. And our 1 inch iron is cream and gold, and then our 1 1/4 inch iron is all black. And this one's kind of a baby of the two. So it has the extra long barrel, just like the other ones, the shiny, sparkly barrel, but it's cream with a black barrel. So now all three of them make the collection complete. I wanted to do a 1 1/2 inch because we all know that those like bigger, fuller waves are in. We've actually been working on this for a while, but I feel like even just recently that look is in. So I'm really excited to have this. And we all know the Dyson Airwrap is huge right now, but it is so expensive. So using an iron like this, or even the new round brushes we just came out with, this can give you that look without having to spend all that money. So if you're wanting to get a new tool to do that look, this is going to be it. It's on sale now on our website. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. And I just kind of made this little video so you guys can see a tutorial of how I use it and how it looks. So if you wanna see how we use this, check out this video. I'm gonna be putting it right here after this, and then in the description box is where you can find it. All right guys, so you're gonna use this iron like you would any other, but with a bigger barrel. Keep in mind that this is designed to give you more volume and not as tight of a curl. So you kind of wanna leave it in a little bit longer. Just kind of use your best judgment, feel the hair on the iron as you're going, and then release it as you see needed. And then as I release, you kind of see how I twist as I work my way down. And I feel like this kind of helps like hold the shape that I'm going for. Also, if you are going for like the looser, more classic looking wave that's in right now, you want to go all the way down to the ends and actually curl the ends of the hair instead of leaving them out like we sometimes do for beach waves. The section I'm taking is typically about 1 inch in width. You don't want to take too much because like I said, this is going to give you more volume, less curl. So if your section is too wide or too much hair, it won't hold as easy. So I actually feel like taking smaller sections with this iron is really good. And I am just going to follow the same pattern around the head, and I am not brushing the curls out until the very end. I want them to hold and set in the heat in this style before I go through and add any product or brush them out. The very end, I usually do a little bit of texture spray and hairspray, and then I brush it out. You can also add oil to the mids or ends if you need to, but you can see that this just gives us that beautiful classic looking wave that's so in right now, extra volume. I just love this style. I feel like it's so timeless, and then you can add any products that you need to, but usually hairspray is all you're gonna need. Also, we had Jen Shaw stop in today, so I included some footage of that because it was so fun to see her, and she got her hair curled with this iron, so just wanted to show you what that looked like on her. This is the final result, you guys. I love the way that this iron curls. Let me know if you would like more tutorials on this. If you grabbed this for yourself, please tag me in your Instagram on your story so that I can see all of the looks that you create with it. Let me know what other hot tools you guys would like to see Jay-Z come out with, because we are always on the look to create new things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting everything we do at Jay-Z. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and have a great day.